Good morning, everyone. Or should I say good afternoon from where I am, actually. All right, what are we doing? We're studying. How do we get Xcode back on the screen? There we go. So, right now this is a very short stream. Just doing this before I go to work. How many minutes do I actually have? Like 15, 20 minutes to do this? Oh, it's something. Let's go. How do I turn on this? Let's go. We'll just have a look here. So let's just try creating closures for a minute. So we've already done this, which creates a function, but we could make a closure instead, basically. So we can make a let users sorted equal uh hold on, we need to let users equal uh John, David, Lisa. Sort equals users dot sorted. And then we can, well, okay, we have that, but that's not exactly what we want to do, is it? Um,
And
just
then
want to have a
why
look
all this
at
matters.
this video here. So instead of making the function, you can make so instead of saying, what have we got? So we've got a function, right? So let's make the function first. Func. Let's just copy what he's done. Yeah. Let's just sorted. Let's just make that for now. And then it's gonna have a name type string and another name of type string and return a bool. And then if uh name, oh wait, no, we need 1 and 2. If name 1 equal to John, uh, return true. Else, if name 2 equal John, return false. And then otherwise, return name 1 is less than name 2. So that's our function, right? And let's see here. Yeah, I'm doing this in my car, if you guys didn't know. It's car day today. Why do I have a Discord notification? How do I have a Discord notification? Well, I know how, but I don't know why. Oh, it's me. It's literally me notifying everyone that I'm on automatically. Okay. So we have a function, and then we can actually put this function. Let's just get rid of this for now. Let the sorted users equal users dot sorted, right? We're gonna use users dot sorted by sorted. I think that's it. So since this returns exactly what the sorted wants, we can just ignore Taylor Swift. Actually, we could do a for each right here real quick to show for each user in for each user's ID self. There we go. So we make sure that let's just put David here and John here. Right? And we want to put so sorted users basically equals users, but it's sorted. So now you can see John is ahead of David because of that. Now instead we could do a let sorted users 2 equal here's the tricky part, right? To do users dot sorted by again, and then we have an enclosure there, and then we put then we just I think copy the same thing, right? Copy. Basically, it's roughly like this. This. Wait, what have I done? By. Oh, hold on. The thing has to be here. I don't know. The parentheses thing is throwing me off, throwing me around. It returns a bool. Got to make it exactly the same as. Um, there we go. So that's a freaking closure version of it. So basically, we're comparing this to this, and it's pretty much the same. But I don't know, it just looks. So okay, so the clean way to do this is because it's possible, since it's automatically assumed is. Oh, let's look at the clean way. I've already looked at it. It's down
Using this
here.
syntax,
Hold on. So since it's under the assumption of that these are strings, because it needs to take a string, this is fine. Then we can simplify it even further by dropping this off, taking the parentheses out, and then removing the by. And that works too. So it's a lot cleaner and more obvious. Well, not obvious, but I don't know. It's a lot cleaner. What time is it here? 40, 37. Okay. I have to go at like 40, 45, I think. Okay, we're doing pretty well. We're doing pretty well. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna shrink his website again. Down like this. Down like this, because his data's like that. I can even make it a little bit bigger there now. I can even make it so I can focus more on what I'm looking at directly. You have to see the whole thing, right? There we go. Okay. Nice, I can make it even bigger. Cool. Make it even smaller here. Maximizing our space. There you go. You can actually see exactly what I'm looking at. So whenever I'm in this, wait, if I'm in the center of my screen right now, hold on, let me fix that. This is kind of what my center looks like. Yeah, like that. There you go. Cool. This is fun. So let's do that again. Let sorted users 3 equal sorted users 2 dot sorted. Let's go by, and then we can actually press enter and it'll automatically create that for us. So we can put like oops, oh my god, can't B, if A equal to Lisa, return true. Else, if B equals Lisa, return false. Exactly. And then return name 1. Return A is greater than B. Now let's place in sorted users 3 into here. See what happens. Okay, so Lisa's now. So, okay, this is basically creating a function within a freaking variable without having to make a function. Basically. So what's the main difference here though? Like, so in here we're looking at like you create the group, then you then you create the function, and then you create the function, then you put it in the variable to make it sorted, right? But this is okay, so this is definitely more advanced. Definitely way more advanced. Whoa, it's really bright. Someone's car. Ooh. My car is charging right now. I had to rush over here to charge before work. LOL. So you got either this version or this version. No, sorry. Let's delete this. This version here. Let's get rid of that. We don't need any of that. So you got this version here where you create the function and then you go and you chuck it into the thing. And it's more, I don't know. Does that work? No. That doesn't matter. Um, yeah. So you've got this, then you've got the other version where the whole thing is in here, then you pass it in. Instead of doing this, then this, then this. You just do this, then this. Is that the right way to look at this? Where you can just cut out the middleman of the function, basically? Is that it? Are we cutting out the function middleman? the middleman function. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I have to go, unfortunately. Oh, not today. I'm gonna be streaming again tonight, so I'll see you there. I might rename this video learning closures in Swift, so people can look for that if they want to see that. Anyway, see you guys. Thanks for coming. Bye.